Oh, my favorite spot in the whole backyard. Every day, almost all day, doing my thing, taking my breaks. Backyard just got over a party, so we still cleaning up. We had a ball. It was great. Getting my mind ready to get back on to creating content. I've been thinking about it, my strategy on being more consistent. I have been once a week, a little short or two since I was on vacation, but I need to put out some long form content to demonstrate what I'm trying to tell everyone to get online. And it's said and done. It's a little hard. But I have a strategy I think will work for me when I get back up to my office. Is getting updated because all my paperwork from the vacation was stacked up in there, so I had to go through all of that. So once I get that all situated, I'm gonna lay out a plan for my schedule. I'm gonna stop being hard-headed about me on YouTube from other content creators over and over and over again. Write down a plan, write down your titles, write down your script before you make your video. It only makes sense. If not, you're just walking around making a bunch of videos and you don't know what you're going to do with them, wasting battery time and SD card space. So after I have so much content on my camera, I'm gonna have to start writing a script. I'm getting to it. I never said it was gonna be easy, especially when you're doing a little bit of everything for everybody. It's not easy, but I'm gonna get back to you.